In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream Apple TV on Discord without black screen. If you've ever tried to share Apple TV in a Discord call and only got a black rectangle, the fix is usually in your browser settings. We'll turn on hardware acceleration, then start a clean stream from your browser into a Discord voice channel. First, open your browser settings. If you're using Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and choose Settings. You can also type Chrome settings in the address bar and hit enter. The goal is simply to get into the browser's main settings page. If you're on another browser, open its settings as well. Most modern browsers have a similar setup, and many of them are based on Chromium, so the option we need will be there too. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, use the settings search bar at the top and type the word acceleration. That's the quickest way to jump straight to the right toggle without digging through menus. Inside settings, find the option labeled Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Turn that on. Some browsers call it Graphics Acceleration or GPU Acceleration, but it's the same thing. After switching it on, your browser will usually ask to relaunch. Go ahead and relaunch so the change takes effect. This step is key because Apple TV uses protected video playback, and hardware acceleration lets your browser render it properly so Discord can capture the tab without blacking out the video. Now open Apple TV in your browser and sign in if needed. Then open Discord, hop into a voice channel and start screen sharing. Choose the specific browser tab that's playing Apple TV rather than your entire screen. Selecting the tab helps with performance and avoids that black screen behavior. Make sure to enable sound or include audio so everyone can hear the show or movie. If you have higher streaming options available, pick the resolution and frame rate that work best for your connection and audience. Otherwise, the default settings are fine. If you still see a black screen, try these quick checks. Confirm hardware acceleration is on and that you relaunched the browser, restart Discord, and share the exact tab with Apple TV rather than a whole display. Keeping the Apple TV tab active and visible during the stream also helps. And that's it. With hardware acceleration enabled and the correct tab selected in Discord, your Apple TV stream should play smoothly for everyone. Enjoy your watch party.